Hi everyone, and welcome to INTD 110 Section 01, Orientation to Higher Education for Camp Students. I thought I'd make a quick video just to make sure everybody understood how to get on to Blackboard Collaborate so that you can enter class on Monday, August 24th at 3 p.m. for our first session. So I'm going to draw your attention. This is your home page that you will land on when you click on our course in your My Oneonta page. This is where you'll come. I've added a little picture, that's why it looks a little different. What I want you to pay attention to right now are the links along the left-hand side. We'll do a thorough tour of Blackboard when we have class, so I'm just going to focus on the one we need right now, which is the Collaborate Online Sessions link. So when you need to log into class, class starts at 3. You can log in as early as 15 minutes before, so sometime between, let's say, 2:45 and 2:59. You're going to go ahead and click on that link, and you'll see some sessions set up once this loads. And this is the session right here, 824, Week 1 Intro. It's got the date and the time here that you're going to be logging into. But for today, I'm going to log into my test session. So all you need to do to log in is go ahead and hit the session on the screen, and then you can hit join. If you're having any sort of technical issues and you need to dial in, you can do so as well. But please, email me, call me, in some way let me know what's going on so I know that that's happening. So we're going to go ahead and join the session, and I'm going to wait and see what happens here. And all right, here we go. So we're in the session right now. As this is loading, you may get some pop-ups asking you to allow your microphone to work or to allow your video to work. So make sure you enable those. Make sure you allow pop-ups from Blackboard as well. And then if you look at the screen here along the bottom, we've got the share audio. You come in muted and with your video off. Go ahead and leave yourself muted. I only want you to turn your audio on if you are talking in class, because otherwise the background noise is distracting, as we know. But I do want you to go ahead and click on this and turn your video on. And again, we've got a little, you can see we get a little pop-up here asking us to allow. So we're going to go ahead and allow this so that the webcam will work. And then what you want to do is go ahead and click share video down at the bottom here. So goes ahead. You can see I have my preview in the bottom of the screen, and here we go. There's also a hand raise button down here, and you can lower your hand as well. And then at the bottom right hand corner, we've got a pink button that'll allow you to enter the chat. It'll also show you the participants, because this is just a preview. It's just me in here right now. If you are a presenter or moderator, you can share. I may enable that if I feel like I want you all to share documents with us. Otherwise, I can share documents. And this is your settings page, so you can close that. You also have a series of options up here, as well as an option to leave the session. And then finally, you have this here. If you click on your little image, you can leave the session, you can mark yourself as away, you can give feedback, you can agree, you can disagree. So that's a handy button too. And that's about it. That's enough to get you going. So I will see you all on Monday. Thanks so much.